rolls along the sand, picking kids up hand in hand. Big blue wheels go round and round, off to the beach, what fun we found. The dump truck rumbles loud and proud, lifting sand in a dusty cloud. It tips its back, whoosh goes the load, building castles on the road. Ring-a-ding, the van is near, ice cream treats bring happy cheer. Chocolate, vanilla cones in hand, smiles are sweet here on the sand. Fire truck sirens sing wee-woo, zooming by in red and blue, helping safely day or night with ladders tall and flashing lights. Zoom, zoom goes the lifeguard jeep, patrolling shores while waves go deep. Binoculars and flags in tow, keeping swimmers safe below. Sailboat dancing on the tide, with windy sails so big and wide. Waves go swish and seagulls cry, we wave hello as boats pass by. Paddle, paddle, here we go, on beach bikes riding to and fro. Baskets full of snacks and toys, rolling by with sandy joys. Clank and clatter in the sun, the garbage truck gets the cleanup done. Scooping trash with a mighty claw, making beaches shine, hurrah! Bumpy ride on an ATV, zooming down where shells might be. Hold on tight and watch the breeze, we race along with sandy knees. The sun goes down, the beach is still, but bus and trucks rest on the hill. The waves still sing their ocean song, good night dear vehicles, you worked so long.
Repeat to reach 10 minutes. Repeat verses with varied voices or tempos. Add sound effects. Let's ride the next vehicle to loop back or stretch scenes.